Yeah, hindi pa tapos ito. Dahil 0-3 nga kami before eh. Okay, pero na-upset pa rin namin yung kalaban. But this time, sabi ko nga, we're facing a great coach, a top team, supported by a large crowd. So, anything could happen. But I think with this commanding lead, so makikita mo sa body language ng player na they don't want to let go itong next game siguro namin. But it will depend on the game. So there's another time to adjust. Maybe they will adjust another thing, dahil kanina nakita namin adjustment nila, and maybe we could provide some solution to that problem dahil they almost successful do sa kanilang run, especially in the second half.
Coach, gaano kasarap na may mga players ka na pag hinugot mo and deliver ka, like Alex ka?
I think to any coach pagka may mga players ka off the bench na parang naglalaro silang starter and who could provide the necessary things, what the things needed, so na-execute nila yung play, and then it's a good feeling eh. Parang fulfillment para sa akin yun eh. Ito yung ginagawa namin and na-execute. So, lagi kami nakikriticize na 5 lang yung ginagamit namin. But I'm waiting for the bench to step up because they will have playing time. So, this is a playoff time or championship. So, kailangan piliin na yung paggamit mo eh. But of course, hindi naman kami, I'm not stupid na bubuuin nila yung yung 48 minutes eh. I think there's no problem in pacing our players dahil since the start of this conference, the same pacing ginagawa ko. Sometimes it depends on the necessity ng team namin eh. But nobody from the team na naglaro ng full game eh. Yeah, because of trying to defend Dibans dahil Dibans is the best player of the game for me. Unfortunately, kami nanalo. Kaya i-award sa amin dahil he's the reason why they were able to nakabalik eh. Ngayon, but Arwin, every game naman talagang pagod na pagod siya, but he's trying his best na makatulong sa team eh. If not on scoring, maybe yung kanya experience talaga makikita mo kanina. He's an open shot pero hindi niya inilay up dahil alam niya na we're up against time na eh.